just before 3 a.m. on July 3rd. The Maytalk set supplied to Cush activates. Within seconds, U-154's conning tower is flooded with light. A powerful beam blinds the German crew on board U-boat 154 as it enters the infamous Bay of Biscay. A Wellington bomber flies low over the water.
By 1943, the Allies are mostly using Wellington bombers. They're twin-engined aircraft, they're able for long-range operations, especially once you fit in extra fuel tanks, and they're fairly easy to produce or remake if you're converting Bomber Command 1s to Coastal Command 1s.
A Leigh Light is one of their new accessories.
A very, very powerful light. In fact, the first versions were literally searchlights, which have been fitted onto aircraft. The moment a submarine is spotted, it's as good as dead.
Oberleutnant Zerzy Oscar Cush's gun crew mobilizes. However, the gun jams, and they can't get off a shot. But the aircraft bypasses U-154 and pursues U-126 instead.
For some reason, the British pilot apparently decided that Keats was the easier target. So he left Cush alone for the time being and concentrated entirely on Keats.
The Wellington drops aerial bombs into the water near U-126. Before the aircraft could come around for another pass, Cush orders an emergency dive.
The last things that could be seen from Cush's boat was that the crew of Keats's boat had trouble